I runga I te maunga o Maungatautari, Sanctuary Mountain. First off, the word kākapō. Kākapō. As opposed to kākapau, usually when we say po at the end, it means we are using the English vowel sounds. But if we go to te Reo Maaori pū oro, we will basically sound an O like this. A, e, I, o, u. O. Kākapō. Next one is tākahe. Tākahe as opposed to tākahei. Tākahe. Tākahe. And of course the last, but not least of course, Maungatautari. Maungatautari. Ngā is probably the very hardest part. By placing our tongue on the roof of our mouth, we're able to get the sound ngā when we sound out the word ngā. Okay, maunga, and then tautari as opposed to tautari. Tau, as in the toe on your foot. Tā, as in a car. Tā. Ri, rolling the R and the I together. I actually sounds like I. Tautari. All right, I hope that helps out, whānau. Have a great day, and there's our little lesson, Bodhi's Remedy for Te Reo Māori Basics 101 on Maungatautari Sanctuary Mountain. Tēnā tātou katoa. Kia pai te rā.